Oh, di ba? Kita.
Hi mga babe!
Welcome to our channel!
We recently traveled to Vietnam and ipapakita namin sa inyo lahat ng nangyari sa aming trip.
Nakarating kami sa KK Sapa Hotel ng mga 3:30 p.m. and ito yung lobby. It feels luxe and welcoming with its warm, sophisticated ambience. High ceiling at spacious siya with a lot of comfortable seating areas.
Binigyan nila kami ng welcome drinks while checking in. Then, hinatid na kami ni Bellman sa aming room.
And ito na yung room namin. Dito muna tayo sa left side. Andyan yung closet with bathrobes and hangers. May pa full-size mirror dyan sa bandang gitna. Tapos dito naman, andyan yung hair dryer, security deposit box, merong shoehorn, tsaka yung laundry basket.
Nagpa-iron service kami ng isang dress at isang t-shirt. Ito yung price list. We expected to pay 55,000 VND. Pero nung nag-check out kami, libre na lang daw nila. Gift na lang daw.
Going back, may drawer dyan for extra storage. And ito yung lalagyan ng luggage or bags. Tapos may pasalamin ulit dyan. And some slippers. Ito naman yung bathroom. Ang social din ng design at lighting. May pa bathtub pa nga at ito yung comment ni Jeff.
Oh, di ba? Kita. Kita kang nakaliligo. So, yan. Hindi ko alam bakit ganyan ang concept ng mga banyo ngayon. Laging kita yung naliligo. So, ayan.
Then ito yung sink. Kumpleto yung gamit. May hand soap dyan, face towels, and lotion. Kumpleto sa toiletries like toothbrush and toothpaste, shower cap, shaving kit, may cotton buds at suklay pa. Dito sa baba naman yung mga bath towels. May pa ziplock pa dyan, pambalot siguro kung gusto iuwi yung toiletries. Here's the shower area. May sabon tsaka shampoo na rin dyan, kaso wala nang laman yung conditioner. Kaya next time, check everything kung may laman para hindi kayo mabitin habang naliligo na. And lastly, ito yung toilet area na masikip daw sabi ni Jeff. Tapos yung bidet nila lumalaban sa sobrang lakas. Sa main room naman, ito yung bed. California King daw yan. Maluwag tsaka malambot. Hindi naman kami nangate, which is good. Tapos dito sa right side, yung controls ng AC. Ito lang, honestly, medyo nainitan lang kami kasi parang centralized yata yung temp, room temp lang siya. And kahit anong adjust namin, 24 degrees lang. Pero nung gabi na, lumamig naman. Saka pag daytime, binubuksan namin yung pinto ng balcony para pumasok yung malamig na hangin.
Ito naman yung TV at minibar with complimentary drinks. And ito yung snacks na surprisingly mura at masarap. Yung tubig mga 40 pesos lang. Hindi tulad dito baka 150 agad yan. Uh-oh. Ayan yung drinks. May water, soda, and beer na tinikman namin.
May space dyan with a chair for vanity or kung magwo-work kayo katulad ni Jeff. Dito naman may lounge which is very nice. Matataas mo yung paa mo after ng lakaran.
And ito na yung balcony. This is the reason why we picked this hotel.
Wow!
Tapos, andun lang pala yung Moana Sapa. Yan yung view. Presko yung hangin and nakikita din yung cable cars na papunta sa Fancy Pan. Yun yung city center. And that's it.
Kumain kami sa restaurant nila since gutom na kami, and here's what we ordered. Kwento namin yung food experience namin in another vlog ha.
Everything is good.
After kumain, naglakad-lakad lang kami at nakita namin yung iba-ibang amenities. May gym, heated indoor pool, then ito yung isang lobby sa kabilang side ng building. May play area for kids, billiards, executive lounge, tapos may cafe din. So, that's it for the KK Sapa Hotel Tour. Overall, nagustuhan namin dito. Nakaka-relax, maganda yung services and amenities nila, at masarap ang food.
On our next vlog, food trip naman tayo dito sa KK Sapa Hotel.
Kung may questions kayo, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below.
Thank you for watching, babe!
See you on the next vlog! May lasa eh.